Just doing the things we love, but making them better. The future grows brighter for your family and mine. With every taste, every memory, and adventure we find. To keep loving Virginia, we must all do our part. Virginia.org is a great place to start.
Catch minor league baseball action all summer long on ABC 13.2 Retro TV. Here's the schedule for this Sunday evening. Enjoy the game.
Coverage you can count on in the heart of Virginia.
Penalty. Connecticut had not actually executed anybody since 2005. And while 30 other states still have capital punishment, in recent years, 7 states, including Connecticut, have moved to ban it. Ron Claiborne, ABC News, New York.
Well, relief overnight in the battle against a wind-driven...
Virginia rocks with 96.3 ROV.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. Coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations at the Roanoke extended operational area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a tornado warning or flash flood warning, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.